Hello, I welcome you to today's lesson. My name is Paul Williams Ofori. Paul Williams Ofori. What do you have today? We have science. Today's lesson is for Basic 1. Basic 1. So if you're in Basic 1, you are at the right place. We have science. If you're not in Basic 1, this lesson is for you because it's part of the things that you are learning in the classroom. Okay, so today we are looking at strand 4, forces and energy. Strand 4, forces and energy. Sub-strand 2, we have electricity and electronics. So the indicator is here. No examples of common electronic devices and their uses. I'm taking it again. No examples of common electronic devices and their uses. So the main topic is this: electronic devices and their uses. Electronic devices and their uses. In our previous lesson, we learned about electricity. We learned about electrical appliances. So those that use electricity, we call them electrical appliances. Today we are looking at what? Electronic what? We are looking at electronic devices and what their uses. Electronic devices and their uses. Okay, so in this lesson, there are some words that we will see. One of them is what? Devices. All of you, devices. Again, devices. Electronics. 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 Uses. 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 The next word is home. 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 Then we have this battery. 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 So these are some of the words that we are going to see in the lesson. And as we move on, you'll get to understand all of them. Okay, so let's continue. There are many devices that are used at home and in school. Some of these devices get their energy from batteries and electricity. This means that without batteries and electricity, they cannot work. So today's lesson focuses on electronic devices and their uses. Let us look at some common electronic devices we use at home and in school. So we are looking at devices that uses battery, devices that use battery and what? Electricity. So what device do you know that uses what? Battery? What device do you also know that it uses what? Electricity? That is what we are going to look at. Now we have pictures here. You know, mostly I want to show you pictures so that you can understand the thing well. So this is what? A picture of a camera. This is a picture of a camera. So this is camera for you. Camera, does it use electricity or battery? It uses battery. Let's come to this side. Mobile phone. This is mobile phone. If you are watching me from mobile phone, what does it use? Is it battery or electricity? There is battery in it. So the battery is charged by what? Electricity. Now we have this. This is called calculator. Calculator. It uses what? Battery. This is also what? Torch. We use this in the night. It also what? Uses battery. Okay. Let's look at the next one. This is what? Wristwatch. Wristwatch. It also uses what? Battery. Now we have laptop. Laptop. You can use battery. You can also plug it and use electricity directly. But mostly laptops comes with what? Battery. Okay. We have this clock. You have this in your room, in your hall. So this also uses what? Battery. It doesn't use electricity. We have printer. So the papers, the books that you've been reading, the textbooks and other things, they are printed from here. This one, it uses electricity. It uses what? Electricity. Look at this. What is this? Iron. We use it in the house to iron our dress, and it uses what? Electricity. You see this one? This is television. It also uses what? Electricity. This is drone. Yes, so this one, it flies in the air. It is used to what? Deliver items from one point to another. The photographers too, they use it to take pictures to get what? The angles of an area. Do you get it? So we call it what? Drone. It also uses what? Battery. It uses battery. Now this is juicer. This is not manual, this is electronic. So without electricity you can't use it. So it uses what? Electricity. Now let's come to this side. This is what? Radio. This is radio. So our radio set to, it can use electricity. Some also use what? Battery. Okay. Oh, where are you going? This is fan. So fan also uses what? Electricity. This is kettle. Kettle uses what? Electricity. This is blender. It also uses what? Electricity. So we have seen different devices and where they get their energy from. So these ones, they all use this, and this, they use battery. But from printer, this one, oh, this also use what? Battery. This is electricity. This can use electricity. It can also use what? Battery. So these are devices that we have, electronic devices that we have. So we are saying they can use electricity, they can use what? Battery. Now let's continue. Electronic devices and their uses. So we are going to look at them one after the other and tell what they are used for. Now look at this. Wristwatch. It is used to tell the time. So if you want to tell the time, you need watch, and we use wristwatch to tell the time. Now let's come to this side. This is camera. It is used to take what? Pictures and videos. So if you look at this picture, sometimes when you are going to church and you check yourself, you check how you have dressed and you look good, you are like your appearance looks so beautiful, you feel like taking pictures, so that you keep them somewhere. One day you tell your story, hey, this picture I was going to church. I know Christmas time you take pictures, your birthdays too, you take pictures. And what do you use? You use what? Camera. In fact, camera is meant for what? Taking pictures and what? Video. Those who have been using mobile phone, fine, it's there, but cameras are purposely for what? Pictures and what? Video. So let's go to this side. We have this torch. So it gives what? Light. This is torch, it gives light. Laptop is used for what? What do you use laptop for? We use laptops for learning. Apart from that, there are other things that we can use laptops to do. Now let's come to this side. Calculator. Have you seen calculator before? So if you want to add numbers, if you want to subtract figures and other things, you need calculator. So calculator help us to what? Calculate numbers. Now let's come to this side. We have clock. It is used to tell what? The time. The difference between clock and wristwatch is that for clock, mostly they are hanging in our rooms. But wristwatch, we put it here. Wherever we go with it. Now let's come to this side. Printer. It is used to print letters and documents. I've explained to you. So this is printer. It is used to print letters and documents. So if there is something on a paper that has been printed, it's from this machine. Okay. Iron. It is used to what? Iron our clothes. So this is how we do ironing. This is iron. The person is ironing. Okay. So let's see. We have mobile phone. It is used to make calls. It is also used to send and receive information. So this is mobile phone. If you want to make calls, you use mobile phones to make calls. If you want to send message, whether it is WhatsApp, whatever, just as I asked you to send me your questions, so you use the mobile phone to do the same thing. So the next one is what? Television. So it is used to what? Watch news and movies. Apart from this, if you want to watch football, you use television to watch it. Do you get it? So television is one of the electronics. Okay, so the project is use clay, brutal or cardboard to model any one electronic device of your choice. So you are going to use blue tack or clay to model any electronic device of your choice. We are coming to the end of the lesson, and let me ask you, what have you learned today? Today we have learned about devices, appliances, those that use battery and those that use electricity. They are all in our homes, they are all in our schools, in our church, wherever we go, we use these things. And we are saying that they are so important. We use them to do so many things. We have mentioned of fan, iron, blender, cooker, printer. We have mentioned a lot, and you know what they are used for. Okay, so this is what you have learned today, and I expect you to get all the questions answered correctly. But before that, let me read this side for you. Electronic devices help us to do many things at home and in school. Examples of electronic devices are calculator, mobile phone, wristwatch, torch, and others. So if you are asked to give examples, I expect you to give examples. Okay, now this is exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3. We have home assignment 1, home assignment 2. So home assignment 1, draw and color one electronic device of your choice. So home assignment 2, use clay, cardboard, or blue tack to model one electronic device. So this is what you are going to do as your homework, and the ones over there too, that is your exercise. If you don't have copy of this book, get a copy so that you can get to know the questions and then answer them for me. If you have questions for me, feel free, reach out to me. Go to the comment section, ask your questions over there. If there is something that you don't understand too, you can reach out to your parents, your teachers. I've been telling you that your teachers are good. Go to them, ask them questions. Because you don't ask them questions, that is why. Go to them, anything that you want to ask them. They are good, they will teach you. You can also watch this video again. If, let's say, you didn't get some explanation well, you can watch the video again. My name is Paul Williams of Virginia. You can, apart from this platform, we are on other platforms. So we are on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Recommend the page to your friends, your classmates, and other people. Apart from science, we have Chi, Asante Chi, proper one, and Equiapin Chi, proper one, is number 1 on the market. So apart from our science, our Chi books are also there. Thanks for being part of this lesson. My name is Paul Williams of Virginia. Bye bye.